Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about the introduction to MS Office. So the name itself indicates MS means Microsoft. So the Microsoft has developed this MS Office, right? So in this MS Office there are a lot of applications. So as the name indicates, these applications will be used for office purpose, right? So students can use, the employees can use. So anyone who are going to get the job in data entry, then this MS Office will be very useful, right? So now what are the applications available in this MS Office? So we can call them as applications or packages. The first one is Word. Okay, so this is also called as MS Word. So mainly this is used for documentation. So documentation means in order to write a letter, okay, in order to write a letter, or in order to write the thesis, or in order to write any documentation, we'll go with this MS Word. Okay, and all the files saved in this MS Word, we call them as documents. Okay, documents. So now what is meant by a file? So actually the data which is present, which is stored, is called as a file. So we can say a file is a collection of data. So that data can be anything. So here the data will be of text based, most probably the text. Okay, so those are called the documents. The files of these Word files are called as the documents. And the next one is Excel. Okay, and coming to this Excel, so mainly this Excel is used for accounts. So that means if we need any computations, so based upon the formula, so we can go with this Excel. So this Excel will be having a lot of formulas. And also we can represent the data in terms of tables. Okay, so for that purpose also we can represent the data in terms of graphs. So if you want to do some analysis, if you want to do some comparisons and want to post the results in the form of pictorial, so automatically we can go with this Excel. So this will be having a lot of graphs, formulas, and the data analysis, right? Okay, so this is for accountancy or computations, graph representations. So for all these things we can go with this Excel. Okay, and the third one is Access. So this Access is used to store the large amount of data. Okay, this Access is used for large amount of data. So that means data in tables. So all the data will be stored in tables. Okay, so this is simply we can call it as a database, or working with large amount of data, large data. Okay, large data. And the next one is an Outlook. This Outlook is for mailing purpose, just similar to our Gmail. So if anyone want to send some message to another person, so through this Outlook we can send them mails similar to our Gmail. Okay, so communicating with another, right? And the next one is PowerPoint, and this PowerPoint is used to prepare the slides. Okay, if you are supposed to give some presentation in office or in some college. So being a student, you need to give some seminars or some project presentations, right? So for the presentations, this PowerPoint will be used. Okay, so this is for presentation. So previously I have said that the data is stored in the files, and this is the data documents, and here it is a sheets. We can simply call it as a sheets. Okay, the data will be stored in sheets, and this is in tables. Okay, and Outlook is completely for communicating, and here PowerPoint, it is called as a slides. The PowerPoint, the data should be represented in terms of slides. Okay, and the next one is OneNote. This is one thing. So this is simply similar to our notepad. This is mainly used for quick notepad. Okay, so writing the quick notes. This is used for writing the quick notes, similar to our notepad, OneNote. Okay, and the next one is publisher. So this publisher is similar to the Word, similar to our MS Word. So here also, but the main focus will be not on the text, the main focus will be on the page layouts. So if you want to design a poster, or if you want to design some any architectural design, so you can go with this publisher. So this will be having a lot of page layouts with the default margins. So based upon your requirement, you can select the page layout so that it will be automatically, the margins will be automatically set. So directly you can use that. Okay, so this is called a publisher, right? So this is for page layouts, main focus on page layouts. So all these are the different applications available in this MS Office. So mostly this Word, Excel, PowerPoint will be used by all the people, right? So irrespective of the discipline. So the people from any discipline will be using this Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So most probably these two will be used by each and every one, right? So for writing the documents, or for accountancy, or simple calculations, or any representation of graphs and all these things, we'll use the Excel, right? So in the coming sessions, I will be focusing on this Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So we'll see all the options of Word, all the options of Excel and all the options of PowerPoint. So how can we create the documents, and how can we create these sheets, and how can we create the slides and all these things, and how to find these MS Office in our system. So just go with the Windows button so that you will get all the programs and you can find the MS Office. Otherwise, there is another way. So by clicking, just open the run command. So just open the run command. So I will show on the system. So just open the run command. So how can we open this run command? So just press the Windows key, press the Windows key plus R, alphabet R. Okay, automatically we'll get the run command. So there you can type WinWord and press enter, so that we'll get the MS Word. And similarly Excel, if you type Excel and press enter, we'll get Excel will be opened. Or Power PNT, not point, PNT, just type Power PNT so that the PowerPoint will be opened. The PowerPoint will be opened. And similarly Access, so just type the Access, so Access will be opened, right? And then Publisher, right? So just go with the MS Pub, so that Publisher will be opened. And similarly OneNote, so just type OneNote will be opened. Finally the Outlook, so you can just go with Outlook, the Outlook will be opened. So directly these are the shortcuts. Okay, these are the shortcuts. So if you use all these shortcuts in a run command, these particular applications will be open, right? And now see, as I have said that a file will be having the data. The file will be having a data. So that data can be documents, sheets, slides, tables, right? Tables. So how can we know what type of data is available in that particular file? So with the help of extensions. So for everything there will be some extensions, right? So with the help of file extensions, we can know what type of data is available in the file. For example, if the file is having some extension .mp3, we know that this is an audio file. That means that file consists of some audio type of data. Similarly, .mp4, we know that it's a video data. Similarly, .jpeg, that is an image content, right? So like that, based upon the extension, we need to know what type of data is available. For example, if it is .c, that's a C program, it's a C program. It's a .java, it's a Java program. So we can know. So without opening the file, we can know what type of data is available in that particular file. So like that, here each and every application is having the extension. So MS Word documents will be having the extension .doc or .docx. So based upon the versions, this may be differed. So one, it is .goc or .docx. And if it is an Excel, it's a .xls or .xlsx. So with the help of these extensions, we can know that the file is having the sheets, that means Excel data. And the PowerPoint .ppt or .pptx, PPT or PPTX. And coming to the access, it is .mdb, okay. For the access, it is a MDB, and for publisher, it is a .pub. For publisher, it is a .pub, right? So these are the extensions. These are the extensions for these files. These are the extensions for these files, right? So now let's stop here and just move on to the system. In the system, I will show you these things. Okay, so by typing this WinWord in run command, so what will be opened? And if you want to get the Excel, what should be typed in the run command? All these shortcuts I will show you on the system, and then we'll close. And in the coming sessions, I will be focusing on WinWord, Excel, PowerPoint. So we'll take one by one and we'll explore each and everything. So I will explain each and every options of the WinWord, Excel, and PowerPoint. Right? So let's move on to the system. Hello friends. So just now we have seen the introduction to MS Office. So in the system, how we can open the MS Office, just we'll see in this session. So go to the start, and in this menu you can find MS Office. See, Microsoft Office 2013. So here it's a drop down. So just click on this one, so that whatever the applications available in this MS Office will be appeared here, right? So in that we have discussed now, that is Access, so which is for database, which is used to store the database, okay. And then Excel in order to do the analysis. So that means if you want to plot any graph for the analysis, we can go with this Excel, or if you want to do some calculations by using formulas, we can go with this Excel. And then majorly we have seen this OneNote. OneNote is a quick note, so just like our notepad in the system. So and then the PowerPoint, so it is used to design the presentations. So if you want to give any presentations in the office or in the college, so you need to go with this PowerPoint and you need to prepare the slides, okay. And then the Outlook, so which is similar to our Gmail, that's an email, okay, that is for email mailing purpose. And the publisher, so this is also similar to Word, but main focus will be on the different layouts, page layouts. That means if you want to design some advertisements, or if you want to design some posters, then directly we can go with the publishers, so that it will be having a different page layouts, and we can select the particular page layout and we can design the page, right? And then the Word, so Word mainly for editing or documentation, we will use the Word. So major thing we are using this Word is for letters, typing the letters, or preparing the documents, preparing the thesis, and preparing the project works, and all these things will go with this Word. Okay, so these are the major things we have covered in this session. So how to open this? So directly you can click on this menu and just search for the MS Office. So in some versions you can find it as Office, and click on this down link, and automatically just click on this Access. So MS Access will be opened, right? Okay, so or if you do, if you are difficult to find the MS Office in your system, there is a shortcuts to open all these things. Just go with the command, run command. So you'll get the run command by by clicking this start button plus R. So start button plus R, so you'll get the run command, and here you can give win word. So you remember these words. Okay, you remember these words. Win word is for opening the MS Word. So you click on this win word and click on the OK. Automatically a word will be appeared. Okay, a word document will be opened, right? Word document will be opened. And similarly, if you want to open the Excel, MS Excel, so EXCEL, just type EXCEL and click on OK. The Excel file will be opened. Okay, the Excel file will be opened. And if you want to open the PowerPoint, just type Power PNT, not PowerPoint, just type Power PNT. So just type the Power PNT and click OK. So automatically PowerPoint will be opened. And the next one is the Outlook. The next one is the Outlook. Just type Outlook. Automatically the Outlook will be opened. The mailing application, right? Yeah. Then OneNote. Just type OneNote. OneNote. Automatically the OneNote will be opened. It's a quick note, right? Just like our notepad. Just like our notepad. Okay. Then the last one is a publisher. So just go with the MS Pub. MS Pub. Don't type the publisher. MS Pub. Can click OK, open. So automatically the publisher will be opened. Okay, so here you can observe there are a lot of page layouts for A4 landscape, blank page size, advertisements, award certificates, banners, brochures, business cards, okay, catalogs, emails, calendars, business forms. So in this way, if you select this one, automatically the page layout will be in the form of that business forms. Okay, so like that we can use the publisher. We can use the publisher. So the margins and everything will be set. The margins and everything will be set. So explicitly the user need not go with all these margins, page margins and all these things. Directly this publication will have a lot of page layouts, so that we can directly use the page layout. Right? So the latest version you can find it you can find it as a Office 365, Office 365, and also you can have these application in the mobile also. Mobile also you will be having as Open Office. Okay, and like that we can have a different versions. So different versions, and you can download it from the internet and you can install the MS Office. So hope it's clear, the introduction. So in this session we have seen what are the different services or what are the applications available in this MS Office, and what are the file extensions for these MS Office applications. Like for Access, what is the file extension, and Excel, what is the file extension, and all these things we have already seen, and how to open these things we have seen, the shortcuts, right? So let's stop here, and if you really understood my session, like my session, share my session, and subscribe to our channel. And if you are having any doubts regarding this introduction to MS Office, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely will try to clarify all your doubts. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.